Hmm. Why is that light on? Let's see. Why is that happening? I should have gas. Try this again. Why is that light on? Inch forward here. Why is that light on? I would think low fuel light, but... Alright guys, this is Ramblin' Man on the road. I'm back to wearing my modular helmet, which I prefer, but I want to see how this sounds. I can't believe I'm still testing microphone setups and what have you. The full face helmet has less wind noise, so I think it sounds better. So I'm a little confused. I got this light on that I think is the low fuel light, but normally that only comes on when I have like 1 gallon left. You can see it says range 56. Usually the light doesn't come on unless that changes to the word low. I had some trouble starting there in the driveway, and I thought maybe it's because I was on a decline. So I had intended to go in the opposite direction, but I'm gonna go in this direction because I know there's a gas station, and I'll fill it up and see if that changes anything. I mean, we're not even near the red yet on the low fuel, so we'll fill it up and see if that helps. In fact, the fuel gauge is going up, but that light is still on. So hopefully my fuel sensor hasn't gone bad. I don't know what else that would be. I guess the miles tracking could be wrong, and that fuel gauge could be wrong. But otherwise, if the light is on and I otherwise should have gas, I don't know, fuel sensor. I was on a ride yesterday talking about how smoothly the bike had been operating. Alright, that light just went off, but I'm gonna go ahead and fill up gas anyway because I'm here. Yeah, that light's off now, so maybe it was just some temporary issue going on. See what we got here. 147.3 miles. I'm going to reset that now. And I'm going to reset the mileage. It says 42.8. We'll see what it really is after I fill up. For those keeping track, here's the gas prices for our area today. Alright, we put in 3.516. I'll do the math. Can't even remember how many miles I said, so I'll look at it on the video. Well, maybe that was just something in the driveway with the angle. Lights off. Let's go for a little ride. I'm still breaking in and testing the new seat The new seat meaning the stock seat combined with the Mean City Cycles double foam upgrade.